Hello students, good afternoon. In this video, we'll discuss branches of linguistics in very brief so that you'll be clear with all the concept, all the branches. So let us start. To make the following concepts easy to remember, think of linguistics as a ladder. So first of all, you just think that linguistics is as a ladder, means one by one we have to go up, right? So you should start with the smallest building block, sound. The base of English language is that's a sound, right? Then we connect the word, then again, and then that becomes a language. This way we go, right? This way. So how? The smallest building blocks is sound. Language, the base is sound. And climb up to the most complex social context. So first branch is phonology. Phonology means the logy is study. So the study of sound system. Focus is how sounds function together in a specific language. Important. This is only the phonology. How sounds function together in a specific language. Right? Let us give example. Very simple example. Many a time I have given the same example. Ram आम खाता है. But in English, that's a Ram eats a mango. Ram eats a mango. Right? So that's a in Hindi grammar is different. That's a that is the subject, then object, then verb. But in English, subject, verb, and object, and article also. So how sounds function together in a specific language, because every language has its own combination of sounds, remember. So here in phonology we do discuss on sound system, right? Example, think of the letter P, right? So that's a letter P in the word pin. P in the pin, you blow out a little puff of air. Important thing is when we start any word with the P, so there will be puff of air. In the word, this the P where there in the organs of speech, if you notice, so there will be puff in the air in case of the word which start with P, right? So that's a puff. But in case of spin, right? So in case of spin, there is no puff. So you don't, in case of spin, there is no puff of air. So phonology studies these patterns of sounds, which is key unit is phoneme or single sound. So here we discuss the different sounds or nature of sounds, right? P, aspirated sound or unaspirated sound. In case of P, right, all words which start with P, then there will be a puff of sound, puff of air, which is aspirated sounds. Poor, pin, pause, perfect. But spin, right, spoil, these all are unaspirated sound. There is no puff of air. You can feel when you speak in front of mirror. So that puff of air in the words when begins with P. So that's a study of sounds, which is called phonology. Now next branch is morphology. Word building. Morphology means how words are built. How we build words using smaller pieces of meaning. Meaning means meaningful sounds. How we join the different sounds and make a word. For example, teachers. So there are three pieces in this word. One piece is teach, that's the action or base word, right? Then right? So sorry, this is not base word. This the root word. Then is a base and s is the that is next form morpheme, right? So we have to understand the difference. That's a teachers. There are three morphemes: teach, and s. So key unit earlier in phonology we have seen that the key unit is morpheme. Here key unit is that's a in phonology key unit is phoneme, and in morphology key unit is morpheme, the smallest unit of meaning, that is morpheme, right? And here phoneme, a single sound is called phoneme, smallest single sound, and smallest unit of meaning is called morpheme. Now third is sentence structure. First we study of different sounds. Second we study uh, of the combination of sound which is called morpheme or words. Then moving further, climbing up, then we do study of structure, where to put different words. Is there any order? Yes, of course, there is a grammar, there is order which is fixed. Accordingly, we understand the language. Just now we have seen the example in Hindi, Ram aam khata hai. Subject, then we place object, then verb. But in place of English, we have to place subject, then verb, then object. Ram eats a mango, not Ram aam khata hai. Order is different. So that order, that rules, that grammar or structure of sentences we do study in syntax. So focus is the order of words, right? The order of words and the rules for building sentences, sentence structure comes under syntax. Next branch is syntax, where we do study of structure of the sentence. Example, word order matters, right? Word order matters. Why? Let us take example. The dog bit the man means something very different. This meaning is very different from the man bit the dog. We can't change the order, right? Why? Because we have to place subject plus verb then object. So subject is the doer who does action. So who? The dog. So the dog, right? Then what does he do? Action is, that's a bit whom? The man. So here the man. The dog bit the man, right? So that is, that order cannot be reversed. That order cannot be changed. Here dog and here meaning will be changed. So here we can say that syntax is the mathematics of where words go. Means direction is given, that where we have to place 2, then multiply by 7, then plus 5, whatever. So order is fixed, we cannot change 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 8 2s are 16, 3s are something, 48 multiply by something. So that order is fixed. So syntax is the maths. We have to remember the formula. Without it we can't place words according ourselves, right? So key unit of syntax is, that's a sentence phrases, right? Complete phrase can be used before the subject, after the subject, preposition, or whatever. So that is fixed. That is grammar. We follow in syntax. Then fourth one is semantics. Literal meaning. Semantics is literal meaning. So the actual meaning of words, actual meaning of words and the sentences without looking at situation, right? Sometime example, if I say the star is bright, semantics looks at the definition of star, celestial body, and bright, emitting light. It deals with the dictionary definition. So, but the same sentence, suppose you are talking about stardom or you are talking about actor actress, right? So you can say that the star means Bollywood star, Hollywood star, actor, hero. Right now Dhurandhar is released, Akshay Khanna. So that star is bright means that's a he has done like anything, Akshay Khanna. So the star is bright. Akshay Khanna's intelligent hero, you can say. So in that context only the same group of words or order of words can be used. The star is bright. Akshay Khanna is a bright, he's an intellectual hero, intelligent hero. So this way contextual meaning, right? So here literal meaning is different and contextual meaning is different. So that's a when we do study of meaning, that is called semantics. So key unit is meaning. The last one is pragmatics. Okay, we have learned the sounds phonology, then words we join the sounds, make words, that's morphology. Then we join the words, we make sentence, that is syntax. Then we have checked that same subject verb object, right? So that's the order we follow. But then sometime the same word, same combination of words, uh, uh, pragmatically means practically different, have different meaning. The same, if context change, meaning is changed. That is semantics. And then pragmatics. After semantics, that's a pragmatics. Pragmatics is contextual meaning. What's the contextual meaning? How we use language in real life to make more than what we say. Example, if someone walks into a room and you say it is cold in here, you are not just giving a weather report. It's you are actually asking them to close the window. So it is cold in here, right? So that's a practically you mean to say that please close the window. So pragmatics is about reading between the lines. That's a very important. That's you have to understand what not said directly. Context you have to understand. Between the lines you have to understand, right? Which is unsaid but indirectly. What's the meaning or intention? You must understand. That is last branch of linguistics. That's a pragmatics. So let us see the summary. Phonology is study of sound, right? That's a phonology is study of sound, sorry. B in bed, C in cat, D in dog, right? Morphology, that's a pieces of words. Unhappy or unhappily, you can say. So unhappy or suppose unhappily. So third, the lee, okay? Then syntax. Third one is syntax. That's a word order we have to follow. I am versus am I am is statement, am I is question. Then semantics, dictionary meaning. A bank is a place for money, right? but a bank is, that's a river bank, right? So that is also called bank. Okay. Then practical application of language, hidden meaning, contextual meaning, or between the lines, saying nice job when someone drops the plate, sarcasm, right? Nice job is not appreciation sometimes, it's sarcasm. Nice job. Oh, you have broken the plate. So that is you drop the plate. Sorry. Okay. But you are saying nice job. So that is sarcasm. Contextually, you have to understand the same group of word, but meaning is different. So here we have seen different branches where we do study phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics, right? So please take care and remember anything you can remember, right? So here I wind up this video, and most welcome for questions. If I welcome you for any query you can ask. Feel free to ask any question. Thank you so much. God bless you.